On the weekly chart in here, we're looking at Biogen. Not a whole lot of anything here, just kind of trucking along the past 2 weeks. Just a little indecision here last week. As we're going through this week, not a whole lot, basically a $4 high to low in here. Where does that kind of put us? Well, 138.25 is going to be that first level we're going to need to breach and hold. If we can get above that, then we're looking at the 144s. But you can see last week, that was a spot that we were above. We were above the 138s, we were above the 140, and then for whatever reason, just could not hold that. And as we working our way into this week, that's when everything dropped off and we had a bottom here at 135. As far as our supports now, we are trading at 136.36. So anything below that, we're looking right at that 135 area, and that's kind of where that 9-day EMA matches up. Anything below there, you're going to be down here around this lower trend line here, sitting right at that 126, 127 area. Your volume overall has decreased in here ever since the end of July, where you had that those nice big moves in here. Those really just weeks in here where you had a nice $10 here, nice $10 there, right? And now you're not a whole lot of anything, right? So you only have $4 low to high in here so far on the week. So we need some more volatility in here for us to trade, but still, overall, low risk, low reward in here with your low IV rank, and your IV rank is sitting at 7 right now. So options in here are relatively cheap compared to themselves. So perhaps you get some sort of a little bit of outlier move, a little bit of a volatility expansion either way, and you can make some money in here. But still, overall, not the kind of moves that really we would like. We want the $10 moves, right? We don't want the $4 moves on the week, especially on a $140 stock. We're sitting right now with like a $2.65 expected move priced in by this Friday, next Friday, right around 5.5. If you go all the way out to your September monthlies, right around a $9 expected move in here. So we're going to see how we go throughout this week, see where we end up. We need some more volume here overall on our options chains. Just on either end, we'll take whatever we can get. We need more volatility in the stock, but we're going to see where Biogen ends up on this week. 138 is going to be that first level in here. We're watching anything above that 144. On our support side, 135. Anything below that, we're watching this 126 and 127 areas down here. All right, guys, if you like this video, make sure to check us out on all of our social media. We also have a Discord service if you are interested, and you can find all of our socials in the description below.